With the rise of AI, you might be wondering, should I even learn to code anymore? Yes. I think that AI is really exciting in the fact that it can allow you to take that basic proficiency in coding knowledge and really do a lot more with it than you could before, but it doesn't replace the need for having that proficiency. In fact, I think it makes it even more important because yes, you can tell the AI, like, do this, do this, do this, and it'll write some code. But if there's a problem with the code, or if you want to change it in some way that it's really kind of hard to explain, something like that, it's really great to be able to go through the code and find the place and change the place. And so they have tools too, so that when they write the code, you can actually go and have it explain to you line by line what it's doing. And you can go and read it, and then you can know what to adjust and where. But it's going to be really confusing if you've never had any exposure to coding, so it's really important that you do go and get that basic proficiency in coding. I recommend trying out Python. So Python is used a lot in the bioinformatics, biochemistry, these sorts of things. You'll want to use Pandas. Plotly is really great for making interactive plots. I've been playing around with like Google Collab. It has a built-in AI. There's also AI tools for like Github. These are going to allow you to help take your coding to the next level. And what I find really helpful is it'll give you kind of starting places for you then to jump off of and alter to make do the things that you really want it to do. And it's also really kind of educational when you can learn, tell me what's doing, what's this, and then just having that basic proficiency beforehand is then going to make it a lot more understandable. So yes, so Python, I recommend Python, Pandas, Numpy. I use Jupyter notebooks as well as Google Collab. So Google Collabs are great for some things, especially I like the AI, but there's limited, unless you like pay for stuff, there's limited power that you can do. But it's also really great for being able to share with other people. And yeah, so Plotly interactive graphs, I've discovered that pretty recently, and you can really do some phenomenal things. And I've been doing that in like Google Collab and graphing things with students. And you can have the Google Collab, you can tell the AI like, I want to change this color, this color, this color, and explain to me how you're doing this, and it'll do a lot of great stuff. So check it out, but remember that you still need to have the basic proficiency. So get that basic proficiency. It could be your great summer task.